Hello guys, welcome back to another video in my channel. Today is 11th of November and I am planning to go to a place called Barunti. That's a dam. The other name of the same dam is Muraddi. Today I will be joined with another of my friend, मेरा बचपन का दोस्त गौरव. So right now I am going to his place and उसको मैं पिकअप करूँगा. उसको पिक करके I will head to Barunti. This is our famous ECL ground. इस तरफ जो दिख रहा है इस रेलिंग का उस तरफ, that is ECL ground. ECL is Eastern Coalfields Limited. That's a big industry in this place. और मेरे यहीं पर उनका हेड ऑफिस है, हेडक्वार्टर्स as they call it. तो ठीक है, चलिए, I will meet you when I pick up my friend. Okay, this here he comes. Yes sir. गौरव चटर्जी सर. সেই কোনটা রে? এটা হয়ে গেল ফার্স্ট ভিডিওটার পরে. So we are now crossing Damodar river. This is Damodar and I'm sure this is visible. So we have almost reached Barunti and these are some of the resorts that you can see and you can stay. There are many resorts over here. Allur di Barunti. Huh? Your friendly rider. Your friendly rider. Allur di Barunti. Here you can see even the water body and the hill adjacent to it. So these places are mostly populated by people who come here for a weekend. They love to spend time over here in the lap of nature, enjoying their weekends. Also, you have many places to visit from here. You can like make this a place and visit different places. Muraddi Barunti Ecotourism. Case, you know? You can find people enjoying their picnics over here, a family picnic, a friend's picnic and everything. Hindi and English. Yeah, I speak in English. So this is also a place which one can visit. Also we can find many other resorts crossing this dam. I'll show you a hint of it. So this is basically the dam. This is a small dam with just 4 gates, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But the place is beautiful. We do also get many other resorts over here. If you just cross Baranti and follow this route, it is going to take you to a village over here where you can find many other resorts as well. অনেক কটা রিসোর্ট আছে. So these resorts are Baranti, the Polash, Queen Resort, Arunnak, Pahad Tori. What is this? Baranti, Manbhumi, Mon Palace. So you'll be finding many other resorts over here. I just came to this location to show you these things. But there are many other resorts as well. And if you go straight, there is one more, Akash Muni. That is a beautiful one. I've seen that personally. There are many resorts as well. So one can come down and spend some beautiful time over here. And I hope this is recording. Okay, this is recording. We'll try to capture a time lapse. Let's see if I be successful or not. And from here one can go to Panchak Dam, God Panchagot. Making this a base, they can even go to Ajodhya, Maithon and all. There are many beautiful places, and in time I'm going to show you all these places. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe. Enjoy the view. Okay, so now we are returning from this place. It's almost sundown, and I don't think that these action cameras would be doing a good job in the evening during this situation where there is low sunlight. So it's the same way back, the route that I have taken. Nothing much to show you. Indeed, this is a beautiful place and you must visit once, at least once, and enjoy the sunset. It's a real feeling over here. As it's totally into the lap of nature, you would be finding good time to spend with yourself and enjoy. You can also enjoy with your family, your friends. You can come down for a day out or a picnic or something. see all the facilities are available over here. ठीक है guys, nothing more to show you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this, please comment, share and subscribe. And if you have some feedback that you want to give me, please put it down in the comments. It will be really helpful for me. Thank you. Till the next time we meet again in another video. Bye bye.